Welcome to 3.2. The operating system is like the building superintendent or landlord. It's one managing all of the behind-the-scenes work. The operating system acts as a front desk, relaying requests between tenants, the applications, and the electricians or plumbers, the hardware. It handles disk management, keeping track of all the storage rooms and basements. It manages tasks and processes, assigning chores to the people inside. And it oversees application management, deciding which tenants can use shared resources like the laundry room or the fitness center. In the office, the ultimate middle manager is Michael Scott. He connects to the employees, which are the applications, to corporate, which represents the hardware. He translates corporate nonsense into tasks for the team. Disk management is Toby keeping endless HR files. Task management is Dwight assigning duties. And application management is Oscar running his endless Excel reports. It's not always smooth, but it gets the job done. The operating system also manages devices and security. Device management is like approving new appliances in the building, a washer, a TV, or a printer. The operating system makes sure they're installed and working properly. Access control is the key and lock system, determining who's allowed in which room. It enforces permissions, keeping some areas open and others restricted. So back at Dunder Mifflin, device management is Darryl running forklifts and trucks. He keeps the paper supply moving to the right place. Access control is Angela enforcing strict rules, who can do what, when, and where. It may not be glamorous, but without it, the office would fall into complete chaos. One thing to keep in mind is that not all operating systems are the same. A mobile operating system is like a studio apartment, compact, portable, and efficient for everyday use. A desktop or a workstation operating system is like a full apartment, bigger, more versatile, and designed for multiple needs. A server operating system is like an office building, steady, reliable, and designed to support many tenants at once. And an embedded operating system is like a smart appliance in your kitchen, specialized, focused on one job, but essential. In the office, each type of operating system has its match. Mobile operating system is like Pam's Art, portable and user-friendly. Desktop operating systems is Jim, smooth, versatile, and capable. Server operating systems is Stanley, steady, reliable, always delivering. And an embedded operating system is a copier, not flashy, but specialized and absolutely critical. Just like the Scranton branch, operating systems may be messy, but at the end of the day, they make sure the work gets done.